In this tutorial, we are going to analyze the traffic. So in order to do that, first we open the Wireshark here. I'm going to type here sudo Wireshark, and I'm going to go to my password. Okay, the Wireshark network analyzer has been opened. Now I'll go over here, file, and then go to the open, and then go to home, so for Alex, and then we go to desktop, traffic analysis, and then we will analyze this PCAP file here. So I'll open this. Okay, so we open that PCAP file in our Wireshark traffic analyzer. So you can see here it's a lots of information. So it's a lots of information. So first we go to the statistics and see the capture file properties. Okay, so we have altogether 18,181 packet, and the time lapse between the two packets you can see here, it's 32 minutes and 42 seconds approximately. So we close this, and then we go again to the statistics, and then we go to conversation, and we go to the IPv4 section. From here we can see the address is client and address B is server, and we go to here. So from here what we can conclude is that the most of the talking has been done by these two, this client and this server, so which can be used for our analysis. And let's go to statistics again, and then we go to protocol hierarchy. All right, so here we can see the hierarchy of protocol used in this PCAP. All right, so let's go to this lightweight directory access protocol. Hypertext transfer protocol, we have 658 packets. Since hypertext transfer protocol, it's unencrypted one, we can use this in our analysis. Okay, now it's time to apply the filter HTTP. Okay, now if we just apply the HTTP filter, we can see the lots of information, and also from the conversation tab we can also see that the lots of talking has been done by the two source. One source which is 10.8.15.133. so what we can do is http request, not http, sorry, so ip dot address, and we can write 10.8.15.133 and http dot request equals to get request method. Okay, all right, so here it comes. From here we can see the UTC time frame. So this get request, it's kind of suspicious to have a get request. We are interested in this and this get request, so let's go to this file, and then we go to the followed HTTP string. All right, So this is the entire conversation between the client and server. Here we can see all the information. Now from here we can see this invoice, right? Invoice.js file. This file is inside this zip folder. So from here we can also see this PK. PK means that it's a file signature, and if we go over to Mozilla Firefox and let's see PK file signature, so we can see that this PK file signature means that the file is zip file. Okay, let's go to our Wireshark window, and also we can see, let's minimize this one and go to the Wireshark. Alright, so let's extract the file from here. So how can we extract this? Here, go to the export object, go to the export objects, and we are interested in HTTP since it's unencrypted, so we go to here, and the potential malicious payload appears to be this one and this one. So what we do it's here, and then go to save, and then we go to desktop, and then we go to traffic analysis here, and the name of the file is something, name of the file, let's see the name of the file again from here, cancel. Alright, and then we can go here and close, here, follow HTTP string. Alright, this is the file invoice. It's kind of close, and then we go to here, we go to export object HTTP, and then we move to this file, right? Alright, save, desktop, traffic analysis, and here zip file, save. Here we go to home folder, and then desktop, and then go to the traffic analysis folder. Here we can see this file. Okay, now we're going to open the terminal here, and then file, invoice. So from here we can see that the invoice file, this invoice.jpg file, is the zip archive file. So we can unzip this file, zip invoice, zip file, cannot open. Okay, never mind. We're going to clear, and we're going to create the hash sum of this file. Alright, so from here we can generate the hash of this zip file, and we can copy this, and we can go to the VirusTotal to find the reputation of this hash file, and then we go here and paste it, search, boom. Okay, so 24 out of 66 security vendors flag this as malicious, and here we can see from the AHM lab v3 downloads one cookie. So this zip file falls under the malware family 1. So from VirusTotal we can conclude that this zip file belongs to the malware family worm cookie. In a similar way, in the MalwareBaazar, if we do some further investigation and analysis of this as file, I am going to copy this search from MalwareBaazar. Also, we can see that this file type is zip, and this is the SHA-256 hash of this file, and it also belongs to this one cookie malware. You can see all the details here. Now let's move to our Wireshark and let's go to this one, HTTP object list, and go here and download, not download, let's see first this, and save, and go to the desktop and then graphic analysis, and here we can save this file. Okay, and then we open our terminal and see list of the file. Okay, we have this file available. We can also generate the sum 256 sum of this file. Alright, so we got the 256 hash of the recently downloaded file also. And if we want to see the type of file, let's go to this one. So this file, it's executable DLL file, which belongs for the Microsoft Windows. Since we have already 256 hash, we are going to copy this and again check its reputation in VirusTotal first. Here we go, and then we go to paste. Alright, we did out of the 72 security vendor has flagged this as malicious. And from here we can also see this file belongs to the one cookie malware. Similar manner, let's go to the MalwareBaazar database, and then so 256. Can we copy the hash? Okay, now see, the type of the file is exe and the signature is one cookie. Also the tag we can see is a backdoor exe file, one cookie malware. We can click, we can see further more information from here. Let's go from here what we have seen from the Wireshark. If we go and apply the filter again, IP address and get method. Here, by the way, we can also see this file, right? If we follow the HTTP request, HTTP stream, sorry, we can see this program cannot be run in the DOS mode, and this mz, this is the file signature of the exe DLL file. So if we can go to the power browser and say mz file signature, this is the ms-dos exe file format known as mz after your signature, initial of Microsoft Engineer Mark Chipoxy. And then let's go to our filter again, and then we go to the IP address, and then alright, from this all the HTTP string. So from this conversation what we can extract is that this is the zip file and this JS file. Yeah, right. So this is the JS file that is inside this zip file. So we can actually extract it. Let's see. So this is the invoice file. Let's go and extract. Okay, you can see. All right, and then we can also open the terminal here, and we can also see the file invoice. So from here, let me make it bigger. So this is the JS file inside the zip file, and this is ASCII with very low lines. Terminators. This is the indicates this is the JS file, and we can also generate its hash from 256 sum of invoice. So from here we can check its reputation from here, copy, and then we go to VirusTotal website, and then we can paste it here. Boom. Alright, 19 out of the 61 security vendors flagged this as malicious. Again, this shows that this belongs to the one cookie malware. If we go to the MalwareBaazar, and you can go here and MalwareBaazar database, and 256 copy file has probably something's wrong. Paste. Alright, see, it again shows that the type of the file is JS file, which is inside the zip file, which is obvious. Alright, so this belongs to the one cookie malware. Okay, from this, what we can conclude from this traffic analysis, of the PCAP file. So we have the malicious payload, and we can extract its file hashes, and we can check its reputation from here. And we can also see the name of, let's go here, if we want to see the name and host name, files name, files system. You can see this is the mail files system. So if we go to name string, we can see the host name and also the username from here. Yeah, you can see the host name and username. Alright, so in this way we capture the PCAP file in this Wireshark packet analyzer tool, and we can find malicious payload, and we can find that the malware belongs to the one cookie malware family. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.